Hi there, and today we're going to talk about allergic rhinitis, also known as hay fever. Allergic rhinitis happens when your nose and sinuses get inflamed due to allergens like pollen, dust mites, animal dander, or mold. Common symptoms include sneezing, a runny or stuffy nose, itchy eyes, and sometimes a scratchy throat or cough. These symptoms can make you feel really uncomfortable. This condition is triggered by your immune system overreacting to harmless substances. It releases chemicals like histamines that cause those annoying symptoms. So what can you do? First, try to avoid known allergens. Over-the-counter antihistamines, nasal sprays, and decongestants can help manage symptoms. Keeping your living space clean and using air purifiers can also reduce exposure to allergens. If symptoms persist, it's a good idea to see a doctor. They might suggest allergy testing or prescribe stronger medications. Understanding and managing allergic rhinitis can greatly improve your quality of life. Thanks for watching and take care.